Hi and welcome to Quick Craft Tips. I'm Donna Salazar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy bookmark that you can make in about 5 minutes. I started with a regular shipping tag and I cut the two sides off, then used a rounded corner punch to round off the edges. Then I used some 4x6 adhesive sheets and I cut them horizontally into little strips so that it had the little side strip on the side. So I'm pulling off that little edge, and that makes it easier for you to remove the liner. I'm just going to adhere it to the side. And then this is a tip that I've learned after making a bunch of these. If you just push the paper, it makes it kind of lay down nice and flat across your project. Now I'm going to place that inside of my medallion emboss plate from Spellbinders. And I'm going to run that through the platinum machine. And once you take it out, you're just going to cut off the excess and then remove that liner. Now I'm going to use my pigment powder in silver with a little fluffy paintbrush, and I'm just going to brush that onto the adhesive. It gives you such a beautiful effect. And I'm going to use my finger to burnish the pigment powder into the adhesive to kind of make it stick really well and to help to remove some of the stickiness. It shouldn't be sticky after you get the pigment powder on it. Then I just brushed away the excess, and I'm using the Easy Dots Permanent, and there is a link on the blog to show you the technique that I use with the pigment powder and the Easy Dots. Now I'm using my Girly Grunge tissue tape, also from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L. And I'm just going to put them randomly across the bookmark, just in different places where I think that they will look good. So this part, you can just do whatever you think will look good. You don't have to follow my pattern exactly. And you'll just wrap the tape around the back. And because this tissue tape is lighter, I've decided to wrap it around a couple of times. And this is in real time, by the way. I haven't sped this video up, just so you can see that you can make these bookmarks very quickly. So it makes it a little more opaque, and you can see the pattern a little bit better when you wrap it around a couple times. Then I've added some of the wood grain at the top and some of the denim on the bottom. And these come in sets. The two wood grains, oak and ash, come together, and then the floral and the denim also come together. And again, just wrap that tape around to the back. And the design part is done. So now we're just going to take some Girly Grunge gauze and some Girly Grunge twine, and we're going to cut small strips of that, feed it through the hole, and then feed the ends into the little loop. Now just trim off the excess, and you're done. 5 minutes or less, easy peasy. Here's a little bit closer view. And then here are 3 other options so that you can see you can do the tape in different styles and different placement, to use different colored pigment powders. And there are close-ups on the blog, and here is the web address, and you can see more pictures and watch the video there as well. All the products that I talked about today are on the Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L website. And if you want to see me in other places on the internet, here are the different places where you can find me. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you again next time.